So guys, welcome to my channel Solo Wanderer, and this is Mokshit back again. And today I'm traveling to Bisleghat, which is from like 70 kilometers from my place. And right now I am near Gundukutti. And next comes Gargandur. If you remember in my previous vlog, I had showed you this beautiful place in the evening, like in my Medure Falls vlog. And this is Gargandur bridge. Actually looks beautiful, right? I don't know where I'll be going properly exactly. I need to go to Somarpet. I mean, I have to reach Somarpet first, and from there I had to take diversion towards Bisleghat. I don't know the route properly, but we have our Google auntie, right? Let's ask her or ask some people out there. Look at the road, man. It's very beautiful, right? I mean, very curvy, and I don't know how will the route of Bisleghat will actually be. As I heard, it will be full of curves, and we bikers needs those curves. I mean, we love a lot. So let's keep traveling, dude. Let's keep traveling. Look at the route, man. It's very scary. Not scary, but it is too curvy. There is no space to take a proper turn. Don't know what will this large vehicles do. I mean, the bigger vehicles do to turn over. But trust me, guys, this is just awesome to travel in a ghat section. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಗುರು ಜಾಗ. I mean, the way is so beautiful. I love this. I hope you are also enjoying the ride or the road. I hope many people might be planning to come to Bisleghat. I think so. So guys, I can feel the drop in the temperature, and it is just amazing, man. And the same route goes towards Malladi Falls also. See the narrow curves over here. Isn't it just beautiful? What if two lorries come in this road, man? They can, but oh man, I love it, you know. Oh, what can I tell, man? This is not even a road, I think so. See what kind of a curve does this road actually has. Oh man, another one. I love it, dude. I love it. Small falls. Is it a falls? Water flow. ಸೊ ಸೊ ಮಳೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳು ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಐ ಮೀನ್ the rain might gonna start right now or in a few minutes, or I don't know whether the weather is only like this. So let's keep riding, man. How beautiful, isn't it? Must be very careful in these roads because these four-wheel car people will come like crazy. While coming back, I think all my fuel might drain off because it is completely upright. Actually, I needed to climb like this, but I don't understand why I'm going like this. And and what, man, I have no words to express this beautiful nature. Let's ask him where to go to. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಿಸ್ಲೆಘಾಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 3? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಣ್ಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು dude. So he told that he told that there is only like 3 kilometers from this exact point. Man, ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿ ಗುರು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. I have no words to tell, like, to express. I mean, I have no words to express. If you ask what are these, I mean, in last time there was a flood right in Coorg. At that time there was landslides most of all the places around Coorg and in Coorg, and as you can see there is a floating river under. What am I telling? Flowing river flow. Did I tell floating river? Shit. Oh, this is a service line, man. Hope you are enjoying the video, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, because your likes, your subscribes are the most important for me to motivated to give you the better videos or good videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share, man. Please. See how beautiful the road is. Like it's like a snake, and it's very, very, very beautiful. I have to think, how will people get the network in this Ghat section area? And now it's 55.6 kilometers. So if you can see, there is a board written in Kannada as Bislei. It is a police check gate, I think so. Yes. Oh man, why there is no water here? But it just looks beautiful, right? Yes, nice place. I'm very sure I have to do this video. I mean, it will become too lengthy, so I had to do two parts. And I guess this is a viewpoint. I don't know. A lot of people are coming from that side. Hasana. Oh man, I think this place. What? I mean, this place actually park my bike. So finally I reached my place. Not my place, I mean the viewpoint of Bisle Ghat. And we had to take a walk. I don't know for how many meters or kilometers. And just enjoy it, man. It is so beautiful. I don't know whether you can see, but there is a flowing river down there. Man, can you see my beautiful background actually? Let me go down there and show you how beautiful actually it is. I don't know whether you can see, but you can. There is a beautiful flowing river over there, and this is not at the viewpoint. There is one more place on the top, so let's go there. It's completely steep down, and there is a viewpoint. So this was the viewpoint I was actually speaking about. So finally I made my ride to Bisle Ghat. Yeah, I hope you like the video, and once again please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel Solo Wanderer, and follow me on the Instagram as Solo Wanderer. And I'm returning back, and if there is anything much to see, I'll put it in the middle of this video. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and once again it's the fourth time, right? So follow me on the Instagram, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, and see you in a new and fresh destination. Take care.